Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I'm going to do a walkthrough of my new project. This is a pumpkin explosion box project that is really cute. This is my prototype here. This whole project came together because one of my crafty friends from Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, which is a Facebook group that we have, asked me if I could make a pumpkin-shaped explosion box, and this is what I ended up doing. So this one here is Doodlebug papers. I bought these at the last retreat that I was at for Country Craft Creations, and it's really adorable. I am going to have a walkthrough of this one in particular at the beginning of the tutorial for this one. So I'm not going to really go through this one, but what I want to do is show you this one. So I did the two. Halloween theme, fall theme, obviously just gorgeous. I want to go through this one with you, and then I'm going to follow with a tutorial in a day or two to show you how to create this, and it is a lot of fun. There's some steps. It is a little bit I don't know, I think it's easy, but it does have pieces, lots of pieces. So I think you're going to like it, though. I really do think you're going to like it. So the overall size, let me get this one out of the way. And again, the Doodlebug one, there will be a walkthrough at the beginning of the tutorial with that one. So this one here measures 8 3/4 by 8 3/4, and really cute, 3 inches deep. It does have this cute little paper stem and little curlies. I did add some flowers and some leaves from my stash here, but I'm using Fall Breeze, which is a paper collection by Country Craft Creations. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I just really adore how it turned out. I love the colors. The purples are just just brilliant. So anyway, I used one of the cut aparts from the paper collection just to decorate the front really simply. This is designed so that it can stand up on your shelf and be a cute decor piece because it does have the stem, it has the little curlies and everything. It's supposed to look like a pumpkin. So the design is such that I'll show you how that all comes together. But it is big. When you open it up, you'll see that it is pretty big. So it does have magnets, 3 magnets, large ones, 1 at the top and then 2 at the bottom, 1 on each side. Here is the front part. Let's show this one first. So it does explode out. I did leave these open because I thought these are great photo places, and so I did decide to leave those open. It does have a lid here. I put a photo mat here, some one of the cut aparts, and then some leaves from my stash. When you take this out and open it up, you have another photo opportunity here, and another one of the cut aparts, and then one of the little leaves. Then it explodes out, and each little explosion has a little like a tuck pocket and a little tag where you could put pictures, you could do some journaling or whatnot. Then I added a couple leaves from my stash just because, you know, it's fall, right? On the front of the little pockets, 2 of them have cut aparts from the paper collection, 2 have photo mats. Then you have the inner box here that's done at a diagonal, another photo mat here. And isn't that cute? I just love this paper. There's a photo mat on the inside. I'm going to show you how to do the corners on these lids because I thought it was kind of a cool idea. So I wanted to do something a little bit different with this box, and I think it turned out pretty cute. So here's the other lid. Again, more photo opportunities here. And then you have another explosion, and it has, again, pockets with the tags for photos and for journaling. More cut aparts, and then more photo mats. And then on the inside here, underneath this cute little bow, we're going to have a squash book. It's going to open up in this direction, and then it'll open up in this direction. So you have places to put photos in here if you so chose. You could put a photo here. I decided to put one of the cut aparts because I just thought it was really pretty. And then that just folds together like that. And you can see I added a couple more of the leaves from my stash, since it is, you know, of course, a fall album. And then this just ties up nice and pretty. And then you put your box lid on this one, keeps it closed so you can look at this layer here. And then you have your other layer here. Okay, so we'll close that up. So that is the pumpkin box. And then let's move it up here a little bit. The bottom of the box on the inside has Autumn Blessings here and a couple of the other leaves. And then on the inside of it, I have this photo mat with one of the cut aparts and then this beautiful truck paper on the inside. And then because of the magnets, it holds closed really well, and it just folds up, so you have, like, you know, beautiful album, but you also have a nice decor piece as well. And the magnets help keep everything nice and straight on the bottom so that you can stand it up, and it's just, I just think it's really cute. So Dawn, I hope you like this. This is what I came up with. I think you're gonna love it. The walkthrough of the Doodlebug version, the Halloween version, is in the tutorial that's coming up in the next day or so. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I will be back soon. Go check out Country Craft Creations. A new Doodlebug line is coming out for Halloween. I saw it today. It's really, really pretty. Fall Breeze and all kinds of other fall and Halloween collections are out there, so any of them would be perfect with this pumpkin paper. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon with the tutorial. All right, have a great day. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.